I'm unable to sleep so soon. It won't let me sleep.
What?
Yeah, see, I hit sleep and it won't let me sleep.
Hmm.
Leave. Let me see.
You okay, girl? Let's go.
Go around the fire.
Easy there.
I don't know how to make it to where I can sleep.
Saddle.
I think if I run down his energy, maybe it'll let me sleep.
No.
I don't know what you have to do to be able to sleep back to back like that. I've never tried that. It just seems to be the only thing that's working. Because I've only got 2 left to get out of that fucking floor. Run your energy down, John. As if he's not skinny enough. I don't know if this has anything to do with it. Tried it?
No.
Where's it at?
Rest by fire.
Oh, yeah. Oh, sleep. Damn. It won't let me, and it says you are unable to sleep so soon after working from excessive sleep. Or after waking from excessive sleep. Ah, it's because I slept for so long.
Hmm.
And I'm in mourning. Okay, so I'll just go back to their house, hang out, and then when it gets to where I can use the morning one, then I do it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, not that, dipshit. The map. Okay, I just did that wrong. I could just hold it, but whatever. Come on, mamas. Good girl. Leg.
Whoa now.
Lay your big head down, Ma. Did the horse take my shotgun again?
Yep.
Oy.
You have to have the shotgun.
And your horse apparently will take it from you.
And you have to sleep until morning to make this work. It is repetitive.
Very. 5 different times worth of repetitive.
It's over and over. You say go to the house, go upstairs with the shotgun, shoot the floor, collect the jewelry. Then you have to sleep until morning. And then repeat the process all over again. The floor will be right back to where it's supposed to be.
Yeah, because right now I haven't slept till morning and it probably will not work.
You shoot it once, then you check it.
Oh. Don't squat, John. Come on.
And as you see, well, I got this stupid light. That we only have 2 left in there out of 5. You sleep until morning, go back, shoot it, and it will blow jewelry out of it
Yeah,
each
the jewelry
time.
flies out at the room. Into the room on the floor somewhere. And then you collect it. And then you leave. And you keep searching till morning. And this is after they've already left or whatever the hell happened to them. Because you can't get in there anymore.
And we are in the epilogue with John.
Epilogue 2.
Yeah, the game is complete. We're just searching for different things and trying to figure things out that people have not figured out. And we have figured out how to get the jewelry out of the floor.
Well, we figured out the jewelry was there thanks to Tag.
Yes, thank you Tagback TV for all your help with this game and finding everything.
We would be so far away from completion without his videos. At least we admit it, unlike Mr. Boss.
Yeah.
Alright, are y'all gonna let me camp now or no? Probably not, because I don't think I wasted any time there. Come on. Sleep option. Hey! But it's only noon, evening, night. Apparently I'm still in the morning. So if I sleep just the 3 hours...
Well, try the 15. Try to sleep until nighttime and see if that works.
Well, that's what they consider excessive sleep, I think.
Yeah, but it might say respawn it by 16 hours going by.
Okay, so night?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do night.
Let's see if that works. Because then you could transfer back and forth from sleeping from night.
Till morning, that way
And
morning's
then,
always an option.
yeah, and then morning,
Is when you shoot it.
you go back and forth.
Yeah, it ain't gonna let me sleep again. Oh, till morning?
Yeah, if it'll let you.
It is.
Oh, it's just blurry on the screen. Because it's stupid light.
Yeah, that's the ceiling lights pointed that way.
No.
It's the only one that hasn't blown out yet. Wake up, John. The best sleep he's probably gotten out of this whole thing. And I highly doubt your honor has anything to do with it, but if so, very dishonorable. Back to the map. Okay, come on. Calm down, horse. Yeah, give me that. You put this back on the horse, John. So help me. My person. Ignore me. Hey, no, you just put it back on the horse.
Yes, you have to keep getting your shotgun off of the horse every time you go back to do this.
For some reason, he will not keep the shotgun in his hands getting off of his horse. Yet I can do it with the rifles. It'll let me keep the rifles on me, but the shotgun I gotta keep getting over and over and over. Alright, let's see.
Alright, now check it.
Take jewelry.
Yes.
And, okay, got that one, and now there's one left.
One left. Everybody sees that. One left in the box, flashing, out of 5. You have to complete this by going and sleeping until either morning.
You can only get it during morning.
Yes. You have to continuously sleep, then go back. Sleep, then go back. And you have to use the shotgun. You shoot the floor.
The rare shotgun.
Shoot the floor one time, and you will get the jewelry out of the floor each time. That's how you beat this, sir. That's how you get the jewelry out of the floor for this house, this mystery that everybody's been trying to figure out.
That's how you get the jewelry. 5 different mornings in a row.
Yes.
Oh, mister, am I glad I found you?
What
I'm
the?
colder than Blue Belly hell out here.
Lady.
Could I warm up by your fire just a bit?
What?
Can you die?
I don't know what's gonna happen if I decline her.
I don't know.
We shall see.
I don't think so, lady.
I'm half dead here, you stinking bastard! You'll get yours. You wait!
Shoot her
No,
ass.
bitch, you wait.
Fuck you. Rush. Yeah, we're not playing honorable.
By
Rush.
any means.
Lay down, Rush. Rush, lay down.
Alright, now... Where the hell did my horse go? Oh. Duh. I haven't slept, have I?
No.
No, yeah, that's right. She distracted me. Did I go collect from her or see if I can loot her? Or just do it?
No, I just try to sleep real quick so we can.
Let's get this through.
Yeah.
Sleep till do night.
Yeah.
Okay. And I think that's going to be excessive, but it wasn't last time. But 15 is not excessive, but 16 and 17 might. Because 16 it said excessive sleep, which is weird. Okay, now can you... Nope, I can't sleep till morning.
We'll go try and do it. With it being nighttime, we'll see if you can.
Yeah, let's see if it doesn't matter. Come on, turn. Hello, there you go.
Good girl. Let's go.
That stupid glare.
Do you want me to turn the light?
No, because we're already done with it.
Oh, I need the map because I can't see shit in this fog.
It goes away when you're on the map.
Okay. Of course, please don't hit a rock because I can't see shit. Another house is somewhere. Oh, yeah.
Hey, easy.
Back to getting this shotgun again. This probably isn't gonna work because it's night, but it'll kill some time so we can go sleep for morning. But we'll give it a try. There's only one more left. I do believe this is what you call a glitch. Let's find out. I think it's still in there. Yep, it's still in there.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, it's still in there at nighttime when we shoot it. So,
I couldn't see because there's a ball of light right in the middle.
is your flash on for the video?
I don't know.
If your flash is on, that might be what's putting the glare. Because I have one on the screen too. As I'm watching the screen, there's just glare. Run off some energy.
Just looks like he has a white dot on his head.
Yep.
For the most part.
Okay. Camp it out, see if it'll let us this time. Sleep. Nope. Not yet. Yeah, soon. So soon after waking from excessive sleep. Run around a little bit. Hello, tree. That lady scared the crap out of me. Just hear somebody talking randomly.
Yeah, when we've been doing this and she hasn't popped up.
No. I picked some herbs while I'm waiting. Not that that's going to kill much time. Use your eagle eye. Thank you.
Hey, try to get him drunk real quick.
Ooh.
And see if he'll be able to sleep then.
What is that? No, that's Miracle Tonic. What's this? Tonic. I think it's over here. It's just the alcohol. Oh yeah, that was gin. Gin, brandy, whiskey.
They don't matter. Just something to say get his energy to go down, preferably.
Okay. Yeah, that's his hell. There's his energy going down. Well, time to smoke some cigarettes. Jeez. Of course it's the cigarettes. Shouldn't that be killing his heart, not his stamina?
You would think.
That doesn't take near as much as it shows to take.
No.
I guess we just keep smoking these.
Yeah. Oh. I figured it out. I turned the stupid light off and it kind of comes in clearer. Sorry about that, people.
there was a way to jump time.
Yes.
Trying to run his stamina down. Normally I wouldn't just run in circles, but I'm trying to rush through time. He can't swim and he don't run very fast either. Okay, I don't know. What? What was that? Oh, okay, I can't pick it already. It's getting there. He's almost down to where it's going to start affecting his core. There we go. Oh gosh.
Yeah, now see if you can sleep.
Okay, camp's over here. You're fine, John, I promise. You're gonna be fine. There. There we go. Yep, till morning. Okay. Run in circles till morning. Because that's not gonna make people think you're crazy. Alright. Come on. Leave. Turn. Horse.
There's my girl.
Oh. Oh, he's now going to the right of it. He was going below it.
Yeah.
To camp. I thought I kept running to the same exact spot every time. Whoa! Give me my gun back again. Whoa. Okay. Why do you have dynamite in your hand, John? Right between them two. It's still in there. Did I shoot it wrong? Or do I need to shoot that from a different angle, I wonder?
Maybe.
Or that one won't come out right now. I think I'm going to have to go sleep till morning's an option again and try again. You think?
Yeah.
Because I know it's morning time. It's just, I did do the nighttime thing. Everything's still burnt how I left it. Can you camp now? No. Okay, really? Outside the fence, and now he can camp. So random. What? Okay, if I sleep till, what, noon, you think? Or
Yeah.
the night?
I'd do the night.
Okay.
And go back and try it.
You can only get it in the morning so far. Just testing different theories out to see if maybe you can get it different times, but so far the only time that's actually worked is morning. Oh, it'll let me sleep till morning, do it?
Yeah.
Oh, give me the prompt to leave. Thank you.
You know what to do, girl.
She should by this many times. Whoa.
Easy now.
Right here.
Yep.
I think that's in between them. I think it's still in there. Yeah, it's still in there. That one doesn't want to come out.
But you see, we only have one.
Yeah, it gets 4 of them out of 5, but that one is like over in that other corner. Maybe if I shoot it from this angle. Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do one last experiment on it. See if I come back in the morning and shoot it from that other angle, if maybe it'll blast it out. Only one way to find out. If it'll let me sleep again, that is.
There. Let's go, girl. Slow now.
Yeah, I can't sleep. Craft some stuff, maybe? I don't know. Sure. What is this for? Oh yeah, that's for his heart.
I just make him run around again like you did.
Yeah, because we don't need any of that right now. I don't want to waste it. And time for your morning exercise again, John. Find a field. Run in circles. We can figure out the editing part. We could take this running in circles part out.
No, let everybody see you gotta put in some work.
Yeah, good point. Because
To
it
get
does
this
take some
shit out.
time. Yeah, because it takes time. It's like you got to keep coming back in the morning, and I don't want to go too far away because I don't know if it's going to reset it. I don't know how that kind of thing works. Okay.
Yeah, now put him to sleep. Rush.
I'm running to the camp. Nope. Why won't you let me sleep? Sit in tent. See what happens. He's out of breath. Nope. Time is it? 7:54. Oh, so it's morning. Fuck it. Let's go back and try it. Oh. Word there. My bad. Ain't hurt to try it. And it passes time. Because we know it's morning. Why do you put this gun up every time you go to this property? You notice right when he hits the property is when he puts it up, which could be grasping at straws there, but I know the floorboard's going to be back, but I just don't know if it's going to let me blast it out.
Try it from the other side,
That's
too.
what I'm doing. Yeah. Now?
Yeah.
Whoa. And in between them, like there?
Mm-hmm.
It's right there.
See if it'll let you pick it up.
Oh, shit. Didn't mean to do that. No. No, I think I'm gonna have to sleep till like early in the morning. Or that last one is the only one you can't get, maybe. Because everybody thought you couldn't even get that. You know?
Mm.
Easy now.
Get off the horse. Don't know if this will work. It still seems pretty early. Yeah, it's still too early. I'm just gonna cook something and see. I don't know if that passes the time or not. Stow it and go back. Make one for the stamina. Because I am feeling his stamina right now. I got 2 and 2. Hey. Whoa. Noon, evening, night.
Go tonight.
Yeah. But I want to make sure I'm at that tent. Okay. Night, there's 2 hours. Come on. Come here. Good girl. Raj. Raja. Come here. Good girl. Lay down. Lay. Good. Okay, there we go. Morning triangle. It's so hard to see from that far away. That or I'm just blind. It's 6:09 in the morning. Wonder if maybe it's got to be like before 7. I don't know.
I don't know. I'd go on the other side of it like you did just a second ago and shoot it.
From the other, well, yeah, because that one side didn't work for sure. Why can't I run through the house?
You know what?
Oh,
Stand on this side like we have been doing. And remember to shoot right in between.
them two?
Yeah, I'd come over more by the stairs though.
Right here or further?
Yeah, like right there. And just aim in between the two dots. Yeah, like right there. Yeah. There, and check it.
I think it's still there. Yep, it's still there. That's the one you can't get.
As you see, that's all we have is one left in there. But you can get the jewelry out. You just have to sleep and repeat the process.
Yep.